Today I'm taking a real-world look at the Tamobyke T63 Ebike and answering the big question, is it actually worth your money? So first impressions. This thing is a 20-inch fat tire Class 2 e-bike, capped at 20 mph. It's built for comfort more than speed, and honestly, it shows. The ride feels super stable thanks to those chunky tires and the long seat setup, which makes it great for casual cruising or short commutes. Now performance-wise, you're getting a 750W peak motor with a 36V13AH battery. On paper, the range looks solid, but in real life, expect less if you're riding fast or dealing with hills. And yeah, it's a single-speed setup, so don't expect smooth pedaling on steep terrain. Build quality is decent for the price. Nothing premium, but it doesn't feel cheap either. It's heavy though, so keep that in mind if you need to carry it upstairs or load it often. So, my honest take, the T63 is a fun, budget-friendly cruiser. But if you want long range, strong hill climbing, or a sporty ride, you might want to look higher up.